Tension erupted in Whitefield as residents of ACC Road and Prithvi layout launched a flash protest against a proposed liquor shop in the heart of their residential neighborhood, accusing excise officials of manipulating the approval process and silencing public opposition. The protest followed a controversial public hearing held on January 3rd, which residents described as a farce. Locals alleged that non-residents were brought in to intimidate genuine stakeholders, drown out objections, and create an atmosphere of fear. Multiple residents reported aggressive and menacing behavior by the hired crowd, while official proceedings ignored repeated objections from families living in the area. Serious questions have also been raised about the Mahazar report prepared by Baswaraj Kanmani, Deputy Superintendent of Excise. Residents allege that the report falsely categorized the area as commercial despite it being overwhelmingly residential, dismissed the presence of a temple within 60 meters as unregistered, misrepresented a school located within 150 meters, and ignored the fact that the school's parking directly abuts the proposed shop site. Community members say the approval process overlooked basic realities that thousands of children and families use this road daily, that access to the temple, school, and grocery stores runs through the same stretch, and that every adjacent building is strictly residential. Anger has intensified following reports of threats issued to the temple priest and what residents describe as unmistakable signs of collusion between excise officials and the liquor shop applicant. The legality of the proposed outlet itself has come under fire. Residents point out that the building cannot legally obtain a trade license, lacks eligibility for lawful water, power, and sewage connections, falls on a road less than 40 feet wide, barring commercial use, and plans to operate from a space earmarked as parking in the sanctioned building plan. Residents have resolved to fight the proposal through every legal, civic, and public platform available. Appeals have been sent to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, Excise Minister R.B. Timmapur, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, the Greater Bengaluru Authority Commissioner, and the East Zone City Corporation, demanding immediate, fair, and transparent action to protect the safety and peace of their neighborhood.